Hey guys, it's Michael at the Spine Center here with...
Hi. Hello, Michael. How are you at the Spine
good.
Center?
I'm good. I have a little surprise for Dr. Smith, so he has actually no idea what's going on, but I have something to show him. Do I have my keys?
Yay.
This thing is really cool.
I like surprises.
If I
It's
can
not a
find
new
the right...
Lamborghini, is it?
How did you know?
I knew it. I think Michael got me a new Lamborghini.
But I did clean up the green screen.
I like it. Oh, that's nice. Now we'll have to do some of those videos.
Yes. Oh, I'm definitely planning on doing more stuff, but I just finally got in here and made it straight. I got a 360 video of me doing it, so
Excellent.
lots of
I
video of
love
me
it.
standing up and down on a chair. And
So that
falling
means
off.
they can look forward to a lot more excitement.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I like it.
I have plans.
Perfect.
There's plans. I would do my fingers twiddling. It doesn't work.
Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go to lunch.
Keep watching at the Spine Center. We do have some amazing stuff going on, and we will catch you later.